Hi, my name is Jenny Leary, and I wanted to take you through how to slice a image or an SVG in Cricut Design Space. I had a few people ask me how to do that. So I'm going to be doing this elk right here in front of us. I will do it pretty much exactly the same as I've done it here. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to upload the image that you'd like to slice. So you want to go to Upload Images, and I already have an image that I'd like to slice right here, which is my elk. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to choose Upload Image in the lower right hand corner. And here comes this beautiful elk. And I want to make sure this elk is the size that I need before I slice it. So I'm going to go to Edit up in the left or the right hand pane, and I want this to be 11.03. That is for my 12 by 12 tiles. That's what I've seen that I like on my tile. So I'm going to change the height to 11.03, and I'm going to hit enter, and that'll actually adjust the width as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out a way to get rid of this space behind the word camp. To do that, I need to insert a shape, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a square, and I'm going to make it a nice rectangle. So it's inserted a nice square for me. I'm going to take off the lock properties or lock the dimensions there, and I'm going to go ahead and make this rectangle longer than my bottom image. You want to make it longer, wide, or tall, however you're slicing. Now this image, I found that I like my slice for the size that I'm using right now for the 12 by 12 tile. I like the height of the slice to be 1.55. And I'm going to sneeze here in a minute, so I'd like to apologize ahead of time. So what I'm going to do is notice this little hump right here. I don't like that look, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of that little hump by just moving it down a little bit so that it kind of gets rid of that hump area, just a hair right there. Actually, it looks like this area is a little bit smaller than this, doesn't it? No, that's the same. So just going right to the edge there, and now I'm going to highlight my elk and my rectangle. So both are selected. I'm going to the layers area, and I'm going to go ahead and choose slice. And you'll notice that once it's sliced, it's moved my original rectangle to the back. It's taken off this black area, and it's also taken and cut out the gray. And I have this nice cutout area, and I can add my words. So I'm going to go ahead and add my last name, and in this case it was Kemp. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Kemp. I liked this font, so I'm going to go ahead and put that font up there. I am going to uncheck properties, or uncheck the to keep it proportioned. I'm going to stretch it out and kind of take it down to something that makes me happy. I visualize, or I just kind of do things by eye a lot. I don't always have dimensions. I just kind of see what I like. I kind of look here to see, do I like this placement? Do I like this placement? I kind of check and see about this. I don't necessarily want this to be over too far. It might come up just a little bit more, but that's really how you slice. There's not much more to it than that. I hope that helps. If I go to sync, I can quickly drag this down and it's the same. So that slice, to get rid of all of these, you just click and delete them. And go ahead and save, and you're done. Take care, God bless, and enjoy.